Hey guys, Mark here with Ag Drone Concepts, and I got a pretty cool application today that I'm going to share with you guys. As you can see, we're on top of this hill, as I'd like to call it. For some of you, it might be more like a mountain, but we're on top of this knoll where this satellite tower sits, and 360 degrees around us, a mastication company came through and a while back, and now there's been some regrowth and vegetation growth, so we're gonna burn it down with an herbicide treatment, and it just goes all the way around 360 degrees, and it's super steep terrain, and we're gonna be using the J150, so stay tuned. I'll share more with you guys. All right guys, so we got the drone set up, and what we're gonna do now is map. And so I'm just going through creating the field. We're gonna break this application into a couple sections. So right now we're gonna map towards the east. So I named it east side. We're gonna be in steep slope, and we do have electrical wires around us, so I'll click yes for electrical wires. No water surface. Crop, I just put wheat. It's just vegetation really around here. No trees. I don't have a prescription map or anything like that, so we'll click next. All right guys, so it always seems like I always have to use Starlink just to get the map to generate clearly. So you can kind of see here, we're going to be operating where that blue man icon is, and that's on top of the knoll where we're sitting right now. And the map isn't updated, but it's showing a lot of wooden brush, and it's not wooden brush, it's more like pasture vegetation. So we're going to get this thing up in the air, and we're going to start mapping with the drone. All right guys, so we finished mapping. We got the drone up and going, and you could just see the level of steepness that we're in. And just to give you a quick look, I don't know if you could see that, but the drone's holding up pretty well. It's following the terrain nicely. Yeah, so far so good. I was a little skeptical, to be honest, in the beginning, but the drone is actually doing a pretty good job. We've got it going pretty slow, obviously, so it follows the terrain nicely and evenly for a good, even application. But yeah, you could just see the level of steepness. This is the EAVision J150 we're flying, and it's doing pretty good so far. All right guys, the job's done. I am super happy and very impressed with the J150. No crashes. That's a good day. That's any day with no crash is a great day, especially on terrain like this. I mean, as you can see up here, I mean, that's basically the stuff we're in. The drone was going down and back up and over knolls and saddles, and it did a phenomenal job. I was actually very impressed. I haven't had the J150 in terrain like this, just a couple of times for practice, and those areas were darn near impossible too. So it was cool to finally get the drone out into terrain like this. Again, super impressed. I can't wait to see the final results. It's going to take about 3 weeks to probably even notice something, but we got clouds coming in, we got wind here, we just got done in time, and I hope that, you know, if you guys are interested in buying an EAVision J70 or J150, that this video helps you decide if it's best for you and if it fits your type of work. So we do everything from plant agriculture, land maintenance, forestry work, aquatics, and the J150, although I do think it was a little bit too big for this job, I think the J70 would have been a lot better for this. It did a phenomenal job, and we'll just have to see and wait in 3 weeks and see what the results look like. All right guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped again, and if you like videos like this, like seeing applications that I do, please like, subscribe. I really appreciate it when you guys do that. All right, you guys have a good one. I gotta get to cleaning.